Marvin Musquin has officially retired. This coming from his Instagram, posted during or I guess after the Paris Supercross, saying, quote, "What an amazing way to celebrate the end of my career with my family and my best friends at the Paris Supercross in front of the French fans. Thank you for your support for so many years." I'm assuming many years. Last time he raced was 2023 A1, where he sustained a wrist injury and then didn't race the rest of the season and said he wasn't going to be racing in 2024, at least the Pro Series. I think he's done some 125 riding, some kind of, for fun stuff. And well, it's done now. I mean, obviously he hasn't done anything professionally in 2 years, so I honestly thought he was done before this. Like after not racing in 23, or well, not racing in 23 because of the injury, and then saying he's not going to race in 24. To me, that was the retirement. Saying I'm done racing in this year, that was to me the end all be all of it. But obviously, he's had a very long career. All I think, correct me if I'm wrong, all with Red Bull KTM. Turning pro in 2011, he has 450 9 career AMA Pro Motocross Championship 450 wins. Jeez, read that really weirdly. 10 Supercross wins, and he's fifth all time in the 250 East wins list. And if you said yes, you were correct. He has been Red Bull KTM racing from 2011 to 2023, which is, in this day and age, incredible. I mean, you think he's a two-time runner-up in 450s. He's a uh, championship runner up in the Supercross. He's a third place a couple times, and like during that time, he had Ryan Dungey. Cooper Webb came in, and it's a very strange thing for somebody to stay with a team for 12 years, never having won a championship. For him, good job for the team, I guess. Good job for sticking with him. I always thought it was surprising to me that he did keep that ride for so long, considering it is a factory ride, and they are very typical in the fact that if you are not winning, you are not performing or moving on to somebody else. But I guess he's a fan favorite. A lot of people like him, so I can see why. But I don't know. You guys comment down below. Were you a Marvin Musquin fan? You're like me. Did you think it was weird he kept that ride for so long? Or were you like me? Do you thought he retired in 23 because he said he wasn't racing in 24? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me out a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.